Hello friends, welcome back to our Press Computer YouTube channel, and we are gonna see about the latest vacancy of Assam government of teacher. So let us see UG and PG teachers, primary and middle teacher is going to be recruited, and let us see about the latest notification and details about the criteria and number of vacancies and other things. So let us begin. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. So while you come on this official website, uh, dee.assam.gov.in, and you have to come on this website, and while you scroll up just slow, and while here uh, you check it from here as goes on notification where here given, while you click here as gone on this way here. So on this, like, you can check it the notification somehow, and now we are gonna see about the. So while you goes on here, the recruitment notice we are given here. While you click here, you are gonna get this one, the updated notification. So while click here, it's going to be open or download. While click, you are going to get this updated notification. So far we have seen through this uh, official website and getting this update notification that advertisement for the special recruitment. uh, while this is updated on 28th October, where you can check it with a view of support and strength and improve the quality of elementary education in the state of Assam and government. So approve view of the file date and exercise the power under the Assam elementary education are going to be online application are hereby invite from willing. So you can check it from here. Online application are hereby invite from willing and eligible candidates, so who are working as a contractual and state poll teacher under Samagra Shiksha Assam through the official website DE Assam, which is given here officially, official notification. I mean official website. Through that one, you can apply. So, uh, 10,673 posts were given. So, large number of vacancies for the Assam government, Assam state, and you also can apply. If you are really interested for the government job, you can apply. The salary will be going to be 14,000 to 30,000 plus grade pay and other allowance. And so this is the salary only. Then that may be other uh, allowance also will be added on this one. So this is the salary pay level and the conditions of recruitment. The candidate on 30 September 2025 must working as contractual and state poll teacher under uh, SSA. Then second one, the candidate must complete minimum 3 year of continuous service as 30 September 25th. So 25th, 30 September till you have to be continue working as in 3 years and state poll teacher under SSA Samagra Shiksha Assam. So through that asking that should be you have. And third one, if you'll see third one, third one is saying that the required academic and professional qualification for eligibility will be as per as NCTE norms as well as existing government rule and conditions. So, friends, here fourth one, the eligible candidates shall apply online in the official website of DEE Assam through this one till the 8th November to midnight of 30 November. So 8th November to 30 November you can be applied. So last date will be 30 November, and no offline application will be accepted. So fifth one. Sixth one, the Director of Elementary Education Assam Service and right to cancel the postpone or recruitment at any stage without assigning any reason. So that is government that have authority that anytime can be cancelled or whatever they can do. Uh, Seventh one, the candidate shall apply in the same category of post that he or she was holding as the contractual or state poll teacher and any in the post. So through that should be applied, which is you are working as a contractor. Uh, that one document required will be notified on the online portal. So that will be notified. The attention to applicants. All candidates are requested to visit the official website of DEE Assam and check it the all the things. So given here, and then that attention which is given notice as attending attention saying that to visit the official website and check the everything. So friends, so far we have covered the number of vacancies and the qualification and so far those things in detail, and I hope the details were given everything well. And now uh, as completed, and we're gonna see, we have seen this everything, and hope you are getting everything in detail as well, number of vacancy. So thank you for watching this updated notification and video. So we'll meet again with a new vacancy and new update video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.